Yo, what's up everybody, it's Mizan. I'm pumped to take you on a wild ride through Thailand today, a country that's absolutely stolen my heart. We're not just talking temples and beaches, although we'll be hitting those too, but we're diving deep into the heart of Thailand. This place is a feast for the senses. From crazy, delicious street food that'll cost you less than your morning coffee, to landscapes that look straight out of a movie. That's why I'm dropping my secret stash of travel hacks, letting you unlock the best of Thailand without needing a trust fund. We're talking insider tips to unearth hidden gems, stretch your budget further than you thought possible, and connect with the local culture on a whole other level. We're about to unlock a Thailand you never even knew existed. From budget-friendly tips to hidden gems, let's do this. Alright, before you even think about packing your bags, we gotta talk strategy. Traveling smart starts with a solid plan, especially if you're on a budget. But don't stress, I'm not talking about boring spreadsheets and itineraries. I'm talking about maximizing your adventure while being smart with your cash. First up, flights. I'm all about using those flight comparison websites, Skyscanner, Google Flights, you know the drill. Flexibility is key here. If you're open to flying on weekdays or during the off-season, you can score some seriously sweet deals. And pro tip, clear your cookies or use incognito mode when you're searching, because those sneaky airlines love to jack up prices based on your browsing history. Now let's talk accommodation. Forget those overpriced hotels. Thailand is teeming with amazing guest houses and hostels that won't break the bank. Not only are they way cheaper, but you'll get that authentic Thai vibe and meet some awesome fellow travelers. Airbnb is another killer option, allowing you to live like a local and often score some seriously sweet deals, especially if you're traveling with a crew. Here's a golden rule. Set a realistic daily budget and stick to it. The beauty of Thailand is you can eat like a king on a shoestring budget. Street food is where it's at, my friends. Transportation is also crazy affordable, especially if you embrace the local style. Okay, listen up, because this is where the real magic happens. Yeah, those tourist hotspots like Bangkok and Phuket are cool and all, but trust me, the true essence of Thailand lies off the beaten path. We're talking about pristine beaches without the crowds, charming villages where time seems to stand still, and ancient temples whispering stories of centuries past. I'm talking about places like Pai, nestled in the lush mountains of northern Thailand, a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Or Sukhothai, the ancient capital, where you can wander through breathtaking temple ruins and soak in the historical vibes. And let's not forget the islands. Koh Lanta, Koh Yao Yai, Koh Lipe, these hidden gems offer paradise found with crystal clear waters, pristine beaches, and a laid-back atmosphere that'll make you want to stay forever. Now here's the thing, finding these hidden gems takes a little digging. But hey, that's part of the adventure, right? Instagram is your best friend here. Search for hashtags, scroll through location tags, and get lost in the visual feast. Travel blogs and websites are also goldmines of information. And don't be afraid to ask the locals. They know their country best and are always happy to share their secret spots. Once you've found your hidden gems, ditch the taxis and embrace the local way of getting around. Hop on a tuk-tuk for a thrilling ride. Rent a motorbike and feel the wind in your hair. Just be careful. Or explore the islands by longtail boat. These modes of transport are not only cheaper, but they'll give you a true taste of Thai life and create memories that'll last a lifetime. So ditch the tourist traps, embrace the unknown, and get ready to discover the real Thailand, a land of hidden treasures, unforgettable experiences, and flavors that'll blow your mind. Alright, let's talk about something super important. Respecting the local culture. Thailand is known as the land of smiles for a reason. The people here are incredibly welcoming and kind. But like anywhere you travel, it's crucial to be mindful of local customs and traditions. One of the easiest ways to show respect is by learning a few basic Thai phrases. Don't worry, I'm not expecting you to become fluent overnight. Even just a simple "Sawasdee," hello, or "Kob kun," thank you, goes a long way. Trust me, the locals will appreciate the effort, and it'll instantly make your interactions more meaningful. When visiting temples, dress modestly. That means covering your shoulders and knees. It's also customary to remove your shoes before entering a temple. And remember, temples are sacred places, so be respectful, speak softly, and avoid any disruptive behavior. Thai culture places a high value on respect for elders. When greeting someone older than you, it's polite to perform a slight bow with your hands pressed together in prayer position. And speaking of hands, avoid touching someone's head or pointing your feet at them, as these gestures are considered disrespectful in Thai culture. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite things about Thailand: the people. Thai people are known for their warm hospitality and infectious smiles. Embrace the cultural differences, show respect, and be open to new experiences. Alright, let's get real for a second. Safety is paramount no matter where you're traveling. The good news is, Thailand is generally a very safe country for travelers, but that doesn't mean you should throw caution to the wind. First things first, let's talk about scams. Like any popular tourist destination, Thailand has its fair share of scammers looking to take advantage of unsuspecting travelers. Be wary of overly friendly strangers offering you deals that seem too good to be true. Stick to reputable tour operators and always negotiate prices beforehand. When it comes to your valuables, common sense goes a long way. Keep your passport, cash, and other important documents safe in your hotel room safe. And when you're out and about, be mindful of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas like markets or on public transportation. Now let's talk about health. Thailand's tropical climate is a dream come true, but it can also be intense, especially if you're not used to the heat and humidity. Stay hydrated, my friends. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and avoid drinking tap water unless it's been boiled or filtered. The sun in Thailand is no joke. Protect yourself from those powerful rays by wearing sunscreen with a high SPF, a hat, and sunglasses. And if you're planning on spending time outdoors, especially during the day, consider bringing a light, long-sleeve shirt and pants to cover up. Insect repellent is your new best friend in Thailand. Mosquitoes can be a nuisance, and they can also carry diseases like dengue fever. By taking these precautions, you can relax, enjoy your trip, and focus on soaking up all the amazing experiences Thailand has to offer. Alright, listen up, fellow adventurers, because this is important. Traveling responsibly isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. We've got one planet, and it's our job to protect it, especially when we're exploring its most beautiful corners. Thailand's natural beauty is jaw-dropping, from its pristine beaches and turquoise waters, to its lush jungles and towering mountains. But this beauty is fragile. We need to do our part to minimize our impact and preserve this paradise for generations to come. One of the easiest ways to travel more sustainably is to reduce our plastic consumption. Thailand is making strides in tackling its plastic problem, but we can all do our part. Bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up whenever you can. Say no to plastic straws, bags, and cutlery. Choose accommodations and tour operators that prioritize sustainability. Support local communities by choosing to stay in locally owned guest houses, eating at family-run restaurants, and buying souvenirs directly from artisans. This way, your tourist dollars go directly back into the local economy and help support the people who make Thailand so special. Respect wildlife. Thailand is home to a diverse array of animals, both on land and in the sea. Avoid riding elephants, as this often involves cruel treatment. Don't support attractions that exploit animals for entertainment. And when you're out in nature, be mindful of your surroundings and observe animals from a distance. Be mindful of your water and energy consumption. Thailand, like many countries, faces challenges with water scarcity. Take shorter showers, reuse towels if possible, and be mindful of your electricity usage. Educate yourself about responsible travel practices. Let's travel with intention, respect, and a commitment to leaving a positive footprint on the places we visit. So there you have it, my insider guide to experiencing the best of Thailand, even if you're balling on a budget. Remember, traveling isn't about how much money you spend, it's about the experiences you have, the connections you make, and the memories you create. Thailand is a country that will stay with you long after you've left. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel adventures, hidden gems, and budget-friendly tips from around the world. Until next time, safe travels and keep exploring.